Can you imagine that robots will be so popular in the future that each one of us will have their own, just like everyone has a smartphone nowadays? The latest advancements in technologies had a remarkable impact on robots. And when I say robots, do you think I am talking about these conventional robots that are made of rigid steel that we are all familiar with? The kind of robots that can be found on assembly lines of factories performing tasks that require fast movements and high forces? Actually, no. These conventional robots are not safe to interact with the humans. Personal robots will be squishy and soft. That's why they are known as soft robots. These robots are made of soft materials which make them ideal to interact safely with the humans and operate in dynamic environments, just like our friend Baymax. The objective of my Ph.D. is to develop soft, 3D printable and low-cost robotic devices. I have 3D printed, tested and modified more than 1,000 soft and deformable structures throughout my Ph.D. Imagine them like balloons. Depending on their unique design, when air is sucked out of them, they generate different motions. Based on these structures, we have developed walking robots, hopping robots, artificial muscles, and adaptive grippers. Usually, a rigid robot gripper is designed for a specific object. However, our soft adaptive gripper is able to adapt to a wide variety of objects and shapes without causing any damage, which is extremely important when dealing with fragile objects such as fruit picking, or for use in soft prosthetic hands. When we squeeze our soft 3D printed structures, their internal pressure changes, and this change can be measured to sense different motions. We have demonstrated the potential use of these sensors in wearable gloves for virtual reality applications, push buttons for STEM educational platforms, touch sensors for prosthetic hands and other rehabilitation devices, and even for use in game controllers. In order to increase the affordability and accessibility of these devices, I designed them in a way that they can be built using low-cost 3D printers that we could all have at home. The soft robotics field will have a great impact on many state-of-the-art products, allowing robots to interact with us in many different aspects of our lives. One day, in the near future, humans and robots will live together. The question is, are you ready to hug a robot?